Hi everyone, this is Warren speaking. As most of you are aware, we are rolling out ADP RealTime, and I just wanted to make a quick introductory video for all our employees on just how to go about it, how to access it, what the page and the dashboard is going to look like, and how you can enter your times and your site allowances, various other allowances, and also apply for leave. So the first step is obviously logging into your ADP app. I'm going to put a link or a text with the URL accessing this page for anyone that hasn't. And if you don't have your ADP credentials, please do email payroll and they will get that through to you. So our client ID remains the same. We're going to enter our user ID in and our password. After which you'll get the prompt for multi-factor authentication. You'll get two choices. One is your email address. I don't have that link just yet, and your mobile phone. So go ahead and get that pin. And then you should be in your dashboard, guys, and you can go into the top right corner and go to ADP Realtime. That'll open a new tab. And this is not the home page that you will see. This is what the admins will see. So what everyone else will see is here's a current timesheet. So that current timesheet section, this is exactly what you will see. Exactly this dashboard and the week that we're currently in. And as you can see, the timesheet's still open. So obviously, you'd want to enter your times and you can do this on the day or at the end of the week, whatever suits guys. So it's a from and to time. We're gonna go, yep, 6 to 5. Break's gonna be calculated in that. We're not gonna worry about time off or overtime. We're gonna worry about our job numbers as well. Most of you will be familiar with your job numbers, so you can manually go ahead and search in the list. For example, if you're in South 32 CUI, that's the job number. Maintenance, that's the job number. And then obviously you can search for your job numbers as well from here. And then once that's in, that's all good to go. You can add in additional times. For example, if you want to add in maybe the same time, let's say you're working 6 to 2, and then 2 to 5 on a different job number, you can put that in as well. So that's always useful. Go ahead and fill in the timesheet, and obviously very important as well, everyone, is to save whatever changes you've been making. I know in some cases that the web page times out, you won't get your information back, so just keep saving it as you go along. It won't submit the timesheet or anything, it's just going to save the changes you make. So that's useful. And once you get your timesheets in, everyone, or your times in, you can always go into extra pay and counter adjustments. Now that's for your allowances. Also keep in mind, for example, if you're working a 9-day fortnight and you're not working the Friday, you don't have to fill in any times, just leave that blank. So we're going to go into that. We're going to add extra pay and counter adjustment. And so let's say the Monday or the Tuesday rather, the counter is going to give in all the applicable allowances. So obviously P-Hall is public holiday. I'm going to go ahead and type in site, my site allowance, job number that's applicable, and it's time-based. So that's going to be, let's go. Maybe you're also applicable for LAHA. Now that's not a time-based allowance, so that's going to be unit-based. So it's going to be 1. And then again, you can choose a job number. So, these are multiple allowances on the same day. And then obviously you can keep on adding more if you need to. And then you can add extra for a different day. And then, throughout the week as you go along. So once you get those in, once you fill in your timesheet, you'd want to click on submit and put in any comments you would like, or you don't have to even, and submit that. And the moment that's submitted, you're going to get that notification up here that says it's submitted, and an automatic email is going to be sent through to the site admin and to the approval manager. So the site admin is going to get the timesheet. They're going to go through your times and your allowances. They're not going to be making any changes. They won't be able to make any changes. If there is something wrong, they're just going to reject it, send it back to you. You'll get an email saying it's come back to you, and then you can go in and make those necessary amendments and then send it back. So it's fairly easy, guys. Fairly straightforward, and that's the time sheeting aspect of it. The next step would be requesting time off. So you want to go in the burger menu. Feel free to explore the burger menu, guys. You're going to go to the time off section under my time. You're going to go into request. And as you can see, the calendar pops up. The first thing you probably want to do is select your time off type. So for example, it's the 3rd now. I'm gonna type in sick leave. And start my request. You're gonna come into this pop-up. They're gonna ask you, okay, what kind of request is it? I'm gonna go for a full day. Date. And I'm just gonna say give a reason if you have to. Submit that request. You're not gonna get this pop-up. The accruals haven't followed through into the system just yet, but not live. So that's okay. So but basically you're gonna submit that request. It's gonna go straight to your manager for approval, and that's all good. Alternatively, for example, annual leave. You can select a range of dates. And that range of dates will automatically populate here. It's going to be multiple days because you selected that range, and makes makes things a little bit more quicker. So there you have it. That's basically a rundown of ADP RealTime for the employees, guys. And if you have any issues, any difficulties with the system, and you need a hand, feel free to contact. I'm going to put our email addresses up here for payroll and HR. Thanks for your time.